Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Clippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Holden Astra CDX, stock reference number 4601. This shape runs from the 10th month 2004 through to the 8th month 2009. It has a Z18 XER 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. Z18 XER 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate has one large dent on the top edge. Still may be usable. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type rear bumper cover. Right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right guard has 1 small dent. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Driver's side seat does have a small rip. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.